Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. This is the part 17 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners, and in this video we talk about concatenation of arrays. Well, concatenation we have used in the previous videos where we concatenate two variables. It is quite similar like that. Let me show you in action and then we discuss. Let me initialize the array. Let fruit list is equal to apple banana, and the second array is let veggie list is equal to carrot and cabbage. So to join these two arrays we use concatenate. It will create the new array. Let me show you. Fruit list dot concat veggie list. Let me save this array in a array variable, new array is equal to, and now console.log new array. A new array is formed: apple, banana, carrot, and cabbage. Let me show you one more thing. The original array, fruit list or veggie list are not being changed. You can see it clearly. They are unchanged, but we have concatenated the items in these two arrays. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next video.